Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and add Presto card to Samsung wallet. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay, simply gonna go ahead step into our video. So for that matter, what you're gonna do is simply gonna go ahead first access your particular Samsung wallet app, right? So once you have done so, you're simply gonna go ahead, there's wallet, this menu section of it. Here in the section you're going to find this Samsung wallet on top, and you can see payment cards, membership, gift cards, etc. But here in this transit card section, if you tap on this setup section, you're going to find all of the international cards that you can actually link, but you will not find the Presto card for you. So now the question whether you can or not, actually you cannot do it yet. Samsung has not allowed that particular service for all of the Presto card users yet. So if you have a Samsung wallet, you would like to connect your Presto card with it, you cannot, unfortunately. So for now, that is it guys, and yeah, thank you so much for watching, and yes, I will be seeing you guys in our next video.